1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I have 7.
7 colors?
Yeah.
Okay. You guys ready?
Yeah.
Let's do it.
Today, guys, we're making art with monster trucks.
Are you excited?
Yeah. Well, let's go. Follow me.
Oh. There you go. There you go.
It's like I'm on blue team, he's on red team.
Mm-hmm. What color are you gonna do next?
Honestly, black. I said honestly.
Ooh, Ion's doing 2 trucks at one time. Wow, Ion. Ion, what color are you gonna do next? Orange?
Yeah.
Okay, you wanna use another monster truck? The same one? Okay. You guys gonna make circles? Wow, Ion, that looks cool, the red and the orange. Oh. What color next? What color? What color? Brown?
Yeah.
Okay. Ion's gonna do brown. It's like the dirt on the paper. What monster trucks do you have, Zane?
I have Black Panther monster truck, Dirty Dirt monster truck, and Fire truck monster truck.
Whoa, those ones are so cool. Which one's your favorite monster truck?
Grave Digger.
Grave Digger?
Grab Grave Digger.
It's right there next to Ion. Just don't get paint everywhere. I'm trusting you
What
guys.
we were doing, guys, that's right. Look what we did. Yay. Hey. Oopsies. Mama! Mama! Baba! Ooh.
Cool. Let me see your arms. Ayan? Why did you get on your arms? What happened to the paper?
See you guys soon. You're gonna see our videos in like a couple days. And subscribe to see more videos.